Hey everyone, today I'm going to review Hoegoa Hair Serum. Hoegoa Hair Serum is designed to support hair growth and improve overall hair health for both men and women. Priced at $16.99, it's crafted to promote healthier, strong hair. Enriched with copper tripeptide 1, it targets thinning hair while nurturing the scalp and strengthening hair roots. The serum helps repair split ends, increase hair follicle activity, and adds shine, making hair appear thicker, denser, and fuller. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly and is suitable for all hair types, whether curly, straight, light, dark, long, short, or damaged. On the brand's website, customers share positive experiences, noting that the serum helps their hair grow without feeling oily and works well with other hair products. Some feedback simply states that it is effective for hair care. Now, let's check the pros and cons. On the positive side, the serum strengthens hair roots, improves density, has a lightweight non-greasy formula, and is suitable for all hair types. On the downside, there are limited independent reviews. Results may vary, some claims may be exaggerated, and it is from a less established brand with long-term safety unclear. If we look at the customer insights, users report stronger, healthier feeling hair. Some reviews advise caution, noting that results may not fully match claims, and it works best when combined with a proper hair care routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.